Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. I will put about y go to the left. Next, we divide both sides by s. Next, we have y and first derivative of y. This is about linear differential equations. So we need to find about integrating factor. So we need to find about mu s equals to e to the power of the integration. We see that negative 1 over s next to y. This is for integrating factor. And we have e to the power of negative f and s. Later that the negative side go inside about natural law in here. And we have like this. So this one we simplified and we have s to the power of negative number 1. And we can write 1 over s. That means we multiply both sides by this one. Next, we can put the integration for the both sides. Next, we can use about the product rule of derivative. So we have first derivative of y equals to first derivative of 8 multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So for this one, we have first derivative of 8 multiplied by b. This one we have first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So the integration of this one, we have y equals to 8b. So the integration of that one, we have y over s. The integration of this one, we have negative 1 over s, and I will put about c. Now we multiply both sides by s. This is the end. Thank you for watching.